So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today I am back with, of course, another wig review. But this is a wig review that I have not done in a very long time. So today I have this 10-inch bob wig. This is a 4x4 lace closure human hair bob wig, and I did receive this wig from ORNATE on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. But I have worked with them in the past, and they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So if you know me, you know I love me some bobs. Bob wigs are my thing, okay? This one I'm not too much feeling, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of tea, of course, and I'll give you guys some more details concerning this wig. So if you are interested in hearing all of that, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig does have 3 combs. There's 2 on the side and there's 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and once again, this is a lace closure. This is a 4x4 lace closure, and it's a middle part. So I did cut off the lace, didn't glue it down or anything. I just cut it as close to the hairline as possible. And again, it is 10 inches and it is human hair. Now, I didn't put a lot of heat to this wig because I'm not keeping this wig, so I just kind of flat iron, you know, the front and a little bit on the side, a little bit in the back, and that was it. Now, as y'all can see, I got some flyaways going on right here. I did use a little bit of my hair wax to see if I can lay it down, but it's not working. So yeah, it's not working. So, and as y'all can see, this is flipping up a little bit, but like I said, I'm not keeping this wig, so I didn't want to put a whole lot of heat on this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit more information about this wig. Now again, this is from ORNATE Hair on Amazon. This is their short straight bob wig. This is a 4x4 HD lace front wig that they said. It has 150% density. Again, it is 10 inches and it retails for $67.99 on Amazon. So under $100 for a human hair wig. You can't beat that. So it being a bob wig, it is cute because like I said, I do like bob wigs, but this right here, it's not working for me. The little flyaways, it's kind of, you know, it's just not, I don't know. And it says it's 150% density. It might be. I've had problems with some bob wigs from Amazon in the past where the front is just like, you see, like it's really thin. and all of that. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, she's cute, but I'm not gonna keep her in my collection. So I do want to thank ORNATE for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the length. And how does it look on me? Like I said, it's cute because I do like bob wigs. But because it has a tad bit of issues that's, you know, kind of to me, I'm not going to be keeping it. So I will be adding it along with the rest of the wigs that I am selling. But yeah, you guys let me know down below what you think about this wig. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one.